Bitcoin is seeing a massive dump right here, and we are seeing the signal that I've talked about yesterday, guys, on the daily relative strength index. Right now it looks like we are going to lose the support. However, we do need to wait until this signal is confirmed in order to see further downside, because in the shorter term time frame we do see some signals for a short term bounce. So guys, let's jump straight into it. With that being said, my name is Jeroen. Welcome to the Blockchain Today, the channel where you subscribe for daily crypto videos. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, I would highly recommend you to do so. Yesterday I've talked about the FTT token, how it is on lifeline support, and I told you guys that if we are losing this level, most likely we will see Bitcoin coming down again as well, due to the fact that this will create some panic in the markets. That's also what we've seen. FTT2 token lost the support, had a drop, Bitcoin went down, and I really hope, guys, that every single one of you watched my video on time yesterday about that you should withdraw all your funds from FTX exchange just to wait till this is over, just till this blows off. Because right now, of course, they already had a very low amount of stablecoins reserve in their wallets, but now also their value goes down because, of course, a lot of things on the FTX exchange is backed by FTT token, and once this value is going down, of course, that brings risks to other places in the exchange as well. So that's just something I wanted to share. This is a trade, actually. This Bitcoin price going down is a trade we have shared over on the Will Portal Twitter. If you're interested in getting more of these signals, make sure to follow Will Portal. It has been one of the most easiest trades because the average funding fee turned positive, but extremely positive, which basically means that the price most likely is going to come down. We did saw that in the Dixie too, that Dixie had some potential to bounce. That, of course, also aligns with Bitcoin's price coming down. And yeah, basically this was just a great signal to open shorts, and we've shared that signal over on Will Portal before we actually entered this position. So guys, that is quite nice. Make sure to follow Will Portal. Let's dive into the shorter term time frame right now, because if we go to the 1 hour time frame, we do see some signals of a potential bounce. And first of all, let me scroll out a little bit and show you which level we are testing right now. I think it's highly likely, guys, that we are getting a bounce, because if I measure the bottom right here till the top, then you can see that we just touched the 61.80%. 61.80% with a bullish divergence in the relative strength index. And if we go to Will Portal, we can see that we got a high reading on the 8th of November at 10 past 5. And if I can show you guys how that looks in the chart, this is just ridiculous how good this indicator is, and nobody basically knows about this. We can see that right here, just right after 5 o'clock, so that is like 10 past 5. Let me make it in the 10-minute section, guys. We have we can maybe even make it in the 5-minute section, then it is better to see. We got that signal at 10 past 5. Okay, so we got that one in this candle. That was actually, kind of around the reversal that we are seeing, right? We had a smaller drop further, but eventually Bitcoin went up, and most likely we are going to see Bitcoin bouncing a little bit more to the upside right here, due to the fact that we touched some liquidity. We touched the 61.80%. The only thing that is not really aligning with this scenario is that we still have these positive funding rates. So it is not a 100% sure kind of thing. Like, for example, this move down, we actually made a video about that. I told you guys we're either going to go down right here, we lose that support, that 21k level, or we get one last push to the upside and then go down. So that was a quite clear scenario that we had, due to the fact that we are seeing a lot of signals aligning with that scenario. Right now it looks like short term we could get a bounce. However, if we are losing the 61.80%, which is at 19.5k, Bitcoin could definitely make another big dive to the downside, because also when we have a look at the daily time frame, if we close today below this uptrend support on the relative strength index, that definitely would unlock some more bearish momentum and could see Bitcoin going to lower levels. But guys, there is a big but right here, and that is that this is a tremendous good buying opportunity. So if Bitcoin were to come to these lows right here, maybe even surpass these lows, that would align with that 4-year cycle low. And I would definitely think, guys, that is a very good signal to buy Bitcoin, because in terms of time, that is exactly what we are looking at. We have been following that scenario already for, actually for months right now. Let me check on which chart did I had that. Actually, was it the Coinbase chart? No, that was not the Coinbase chart. Was that the Bitfinex chart? Yes, that was the Bitfinex chart. So what we can see right here, guys, is that this is the scenario that we have been looking at from the past of this range, from the beginning of this range. So from here, I would say roughly from here, we started this outcome, and of course we didn't came to the top of the range, but in terms of time, this actually works quite well, because this is the moment that we could see Bitcoin's bottom 4-year cycle low in this box right here, and then from there we could see a nice rally. So I actually quite bullish on Bitcoin, although in the shorter term time frame we could still see lower levels. We also could break below this. That is all possible. However, it is a tremendous buying opportunity for the longer term time frame, if you ask me, because this would be a 4-year cycle low, roughly. And it's just a couple of months until we are going back into that buying area. So there's not even a long-term horizon. It's not like a 5-year horizon. Buy Bitcoin right now, in 5 years you will be profitable. No, it will most likely be buy Bitcoin right now, and you will in a couple of months be already profitable. So that is just a very nice buying opportunity, which I want to share. I would just want to share my thoughts on it. Although it looks bearish in the shorter term time frame, if you just buy to HODL, if you just buy for the longer term time frame, just buy now. I would say just buy now. Don't give yourself any other excuse. I just wait. Or whatever, wait for lower levels. Of course you can do that. You can dollar cost average in the next coming weeks, but this is just like a good opportunity to buy, especially if you're going to look in 6 months from now or in 12 months from now. This is going to be an amazing time, guys. I would highly suggest you to follow Will Porter over on Twitter. We are sharing a lot of signals over there. We also just shared the premium reading on Bitcoin. We're sharing also now and then some trades. We are sharing information about the FTX exchange. A lot of things we are doing right there. I would highly suggest every single one of you to follow us over right here. You can also follow us on YouTube. Right here we just have 3 videos with tutorials where we basically explain to you how you can use the premium index, how you can use the funding rates, how you can use the Bitcoin balance on exchanges. And guys, we are working on an update on the website. That one will be done very soon. And that update is going to be a killer update, because the website will look much better, and you will have a better overview on what is happening with Bitcoin. And we are working on the notification center where you can enter in will alerts, where you can enter once you've joined one of these exchanges, down below this video with these specific affiliate links. You can submit your user ID to Will Portal and you will be invited to get into that Will Alerts channel. Guys, that was it for today's video. I hope you all liked it. If so, smash up that like button. If you are new to the channel, make sure to subscribe. We have been predicting Bitcoin's price action very accurate, and Will Portal has been a big help in that. Very much appreciated if you would subscribe, hit the bell icon, because a lot of subscribers, they don't get notifications whenever we are uploading new videos. That's not how YouTube works. You only get notified once you put that bell icon on. So that is just very important. For all the traders, you can check all of the links down below for these exchanges. And I want to wish all of you an amazing Tuesday. And I hope to see every single one of you in the next video.